Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video. This is a video of basically what I do day in and day out. This is a used washer that I got in from the scrap heap, or I don't remember where I got it from. But anyways, it was broken and it was extremely dirty. And I just wanted to do a very quick time-lapse video of what I go through to make these machines clean and functional again. This particular washer kind of worked. It had stripped agitator dogs, which means the top half of the agitator was not rotating in one direction. It was just kind of, in neutral. It wasn't doing anything. I also noticed that during its first spin that the brake wasn't catching quite as well as it should have. The tub was having a hard time slowing down. So I investigated that a little bit further and found that one of the brake pad linings had fell off the brake. So I had to pretty much take this machine all the way apart. I had to remove the transmission, remove the tub, remove the spin tube assembly to replace that brake shoe. I ended up having to take this machine apart just to clean it, just so I could work on it, and then put it all back together, test it, and then take it apart and fix it, and then put it all back together again. So this one was a little bit of a tedious one, but this one was so gross, I just couldn't work on it without cleaning it first. And because it was a direct drive, I knew I was going to fix it regardless of the problem, because I carry most of these parts in my shop. I also ended up replacing the clutch assembly just because I kind of felt like it was a little bit sketchy. It did go into full spin, but I kind of had it all apart, and I figured, you know what, a fresh clutch never hurt anybody. As you can see, this washer turned out really better than I expected. This washer, after I was done with it, went to the floor where it got a second round of cleaning from my full-time detailer. He really gets into the nitty-gritty and in all the creases and crevices. Kind of catches what I miss. I also put a lot of smudge marks on these machines when I'm working on them because I forget to wash my hands every 3 seconds. Anyways, after this machine gets cleaned the second time, it gets a price tag and it gets a 6-month warranty with it. And this washer should last somebody another 5 to 10 years, with proper use, of course. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more of these types of videos, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try and do some as my time permits. And again, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do so. Thanks again.